So today we're going to be upgrading our house battery from a lead acid battery to a Enduro 300 amp hour lithium battery. So, how you doing? So, come along with us. First thing I did was make sure all the power was off. I switched the main breaker from the power pedestal and even the main breaker inside to make sure that it's as safe as possible. So this cover right here, when you have a lead acid battery and it's charging, it can off-put vapors. So they put this here with this hose, and all it's going to do is vent the vapors outside, so you don't have it collecting here. However, with a lithium battery, you don't have the off vapors because it's sealed. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. That's pretty doggy. Now with the old, we're giving this to our friend who has a ranch and some of his friends, so they might be able to use it and some of their equipment, so we're going to go ahead and just give it to him. Now, it's time to put in our new Enduro 300 amp lithium battery. All right, so I checked all the connections, made sure everything was tight. So everything should be good now. Now I just got to go in, switch the switch inside from lead acid to lithium, and turn everything back on. So the last thing to do is, I even put a reminder to myself, is in the control panel, right in here is a switch to switch it from lead acid to lithium. It has to do with the charging rate of the solar charger. So I'm going to do that now.